Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'll be showing you all how to make Potli button, which is very simple and easy. At the same time, it is so much in trend right now. It is used in sari, blouse, kurti, salwars, menswear. So it's so much in right now. And the best part is that if you want to give your old outfit, that is your old sari, blouse, or salwars, or anything like that, a new look, you can try this potli button. I will just show you guys right now how to make it. Here I have taken my old sari blouse, so I'm gonna make this potli button and stitch that potli button to neck part and sleeves part. And also, if you are stitching a new outfit, definitely you can just give it to your tailor and tell him to stitch it to your yoke part or even to the slit area. So it's all up to you guys. As per your idea, you can make it. And all we need is thermocol balls, which is easily available in any craft store. You can get it hundreds of them for just 10 rupees, and it is in various size, so you can pick the one which you prefer, small, medium, large, so it depends upon your preference. So here I have taken thermocol ball, and then we need thread, and we need a needle, and any waist cloth would do, so which would suit your outfit as well. Maybe if you want, you can go for contrast, that would look amazing. So yeah, I have taken velvet piece, which is a leftover piece, and then I have cut out a small kind of a square piece. It need not be that neat, and all we need is that we should make sure that the cloth piece covers that thermocol ball. So we should have that big size square piece fabric, and just put this thermocol ball exactly in the middle, and just wrap that thermocol ball with this square piece of cloth, and then just hold this thermocol ball very tightly and just twist it. After that, you can take the thread and just twist it all around the thermocol ball, just below the thermocol ball very tightly, and make sure that you just tie it just below that thermocol ball, maybe a little bit below as well. I mean, just what I want to tell you guys is that not just 2 or 3 rounds, not that. I would highly recommend you guys to go at least 20 or 30 rounds, one below the other, as using this thread. I hope you understood. I'm so sorry guys, I'm very poor at explaining things. And then all we need to do is put a knot, and again I don't know how to explain like about this knot. Please, if you do not know how to put this knot, just look at this video, pause the video. I have shown you guys in slow motion, so that you guys can have a better understanding of it. So just have a look at it and put on knot. I would highly recommend you guys to put on 2 or 3 knots minimum. And there you go, we have got potli button, which is very simple. All you need is patience and a little bit of time. We can make it in flat 30 or 40 seconds, that's it. And then you can just cut out rest of the fabric, not completely. We need a little bit of fabric for sewing it to the outfit, and whatever rest is there, you can just cut it out, and then place it wherever you need it. And just look at it guys, how I am placing it. We need to place it such a way that thermocol ball, we have rounded, no, that thing, only that thing is visible. Rest of the fabric should go inside. And then you can take this needle and thread and sew it. With that, it would be done. You can make this potli button with any fabric. I would recommend you guys take any fabric which is a little bit thick, so that this thermocol ball won't be visible. If it is chiffon fabric or any net fabric, this thermocol ball will be visible through that fabric, so we do not want that. For that matter, take any thick fabric, and thick in the sense any normal fabric, and there we go. Just sew it, and that's it. It entirely changes the look of the outfit, especially if you have a plain blouse or plain salwar or plain kurti. What you can do is just to make this type of potli button with the contrast color, and put it all over the neckline, and even to sleeves, and it would change the look of this outfit. And that's it, guys. I really hope this was helpful for you all. I will again show you guys how to make it with another fabric. Since it was velvet, it was a little bit difficult. Not difficult actually, the potli button was not showing up properly. I will show you guys another material as well. So that's it, guys. I really hope you understood. I know I'm poor at explaining things, but I really hope you understood by seeing the video. So that's it. If you have liked this video, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.